my god, dude.
It could be fun.
Dude, it's so fucking weird and crazy. Just got the fucking UAV over our heads, dude. Jesus Christ, dude. Oh. First fish.
Double.
Look at the giant one.
A largemouth. One's a largemouth. Oh my god. Look at that shit. Gotta love it. Guess we found what works. Largemouth on one. Wombo combo. So fun. We're gonna have to go bigger one ways. 1 3/4.
Yep.
Just a 1 3/4. Not too shabby. A little fatty.
What do you think of those? What do you think of those ones?
A little cracky.
A little cracky?
Cracky.
They're pretty good.
It's like a unicorn dipped in fucking pixie sticks.
A little cotton candy-ish, kind of, like I was saying. Unicorn dick dipped in pixie sticks. Dude, it's so fucking weird and crazy.
See how I got him to bite it though, the way I was reeling it?
Dude.
What? Oh, shad?
Yeah.
Puked it up. Match the hatch.
So that's what they look like. You got it?
This is why I throw this color.
Makes sense. I got it. Which ones do you think?
No. Those ones. Yeah.
I
there's one. Oh my god.
Sorry.
Making me fuck around and shit. Look at my fucking lines way out here. I casted it way. Look at that. Look.
Oh my god.
Making me Monkey's got a snack. If it's from fishing for white bass, it should be just going down the middle. There's another one. Still got the same fish, dude. I thought I seen a wound on his stomach. That's a big fish. You're angry though. There's a bathroom right up there.
I got the wipes right there, dude. Just let me know, boy.
Oh, dude, there's no need for wipes. You just jump in the fucking water.
I mean, or we can go non-caveman style, you know? Probably less fun for you, you know?
I usually just wait till it's running down my legs.
Is Andy not used to that shit? So when it happened to you, was he just freaking out?
Oh no, that's happened fucking at least 3 or 4 times.
Oh shit.
Twice in one tournament.
Oh no, twice? Twice in one tournament? That's fucking crazy. I can hear it.
There we are. Watch this white bass, 100%. Oh, it's like 100% was a white bass. Missed it. I wish I was too.
Are you in a tournament or are you just playing?
Just fishing for fun.
Okay.
There's a tournament in like a month, so just trying to figure out where they're at.
There's the water.
Yes, sir.
You've been catching them right off the pulley in a month.
Yeah, that's pretty much what I was just telling him. We're catching them on the points and on the insides and outsides of the points.
But the big ones are pretty shallow.
That's why I'm checking the shallow areas. There's usually not as many in the shallow area, but they're usually a lot bigger.
Yeah. Good luck, guys.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Right there. Go turtle on me before I shit my pants.